I have to show you. Look, we got a package from Canada today. Some new fan blades. The Cleanfix air reversing fan, if you will. Hey, I got some sunglasses too. Alright. I'm gonna have to wear them on the video now for Cleanfix. This is cool. I met the guy from Cleanfix years ago. He was in my shop, and we actually can sell parts and stuff. We've installed those on a lot of different machines. Awesome people to work with up there in Canada, eh? So maybe I showed you before, I don't know until I review this video, but I'm gonna show ya. My helpers are just having fun. We just closed up for the day, so I think I showed ya. The airline come off somehow a while ago, and then they put a piece of fuel line on there, and that didn't come off. That there did. Anyway, something hit the blades and caused them to bust off, and this one is cracked. And they come in packs of 3, so we're going to replace 6 of them. And what happens is the air comes in here, and it's a timer. There's a timing control under the cab, and every 20 minutes or 30 minutes, whenever we have it set for like summertime, when you're in the high pine needles and the high pollen times of the year, it's just awesome. They work great. And yeah, air comes in there, all the blades turn, blows all the crap away from the radiator. But when these broke the other day, Leaper said that the whole machine was just a shake, rattle, and roll, and she was out of balance so bad, and we shut them down. And turns out I had I installed this 3 or 4 years ago on Bob's machine, and we had his old fan blade laying on the shelf, wouldn't you know? So Troy went out and put the old fan blade on and brought that, and tomorrow we're gonna rebuild it and go put it in the woods on the machine, eh? Alright, so that's what's going on. That old damn John Deere is still laying here. I don't know what's going to happen with that. Supposedly we're going to know something on Friday about that. It's a long, long story. It's going on a month now that puppy's been laying here, waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. So I'm not going to talk about it. It's a really deep subject, like a well, eh? Okay, we'll see you later. Hey. What? You can talk. What are you doing up there?
Nothing.
You ain't got the new... Oh, it's over in the truck yet, huh? If you're extra hungry here and you're underneath the machine... Oh,
there it is.
Just wipe her off. You'll be able to use her yet.
Fucking Ma was looking for that.
Yeah. Look at the installer. He's got the look. Oh. You gotta say A lot now, eh?
A free pair of glasses.
Free pair of glasses.
Why?
You gotta wear them when you're installing these fans. You can take them off anytime, Troy.
Better.
That's pretty good. I see you alternated and you put the 3 that we had left in alternate spots, right?
Right.
You didn't see any damage? No, you cleaned them up good. Good deal. Where's the hose in the truck?
Got you there.
The hose kit. Alright. We're out in the woods, eh? Both the boys are here working today, along with the guys. Troy's in there putting that Cleanfix in. The operator, he don't want me to put him on camera, but there's the other guy, Corey. Turn the way, the other way. And then there's Corey over there. They're putting in, changing a bunch of filters on his Ponzi Buffalo. So that's all I wanted to show you. We're all out here enjoying a 50-degree day. Everybody's working except for me. Typical, right? Corey's improvising. Old one, new one. I like your improvised die cutter.
Yeah.
That's because you were wearing the Cleanfix glasses. You know that.
Yeah.
That made you smarter. Made you smart like a Canadian.
Right.
How far you got left?
Okay.
Not much. Well, that's what the young man is up to. Yeah. I won't agree or disagree. Give her some throttle. Oh yeah. That's how she's supposed to roll. You see them covers? The covers on top? When he did that one door in the fuel flap, there's so much wind coming this way, it just worked. That's cool. That's how it's supposed to work, Lee. Hey, with all seriousness, guys, just so you know, on that Cleanfix that we just got back from, you get to see there what they really are supposed to do. You see the amount of air they push when they reverse, and on machines that don't have the capability or the cost, if they're cost prohibitive to put hydraulic reversing fans in or whatnot, it's a really good solution, and I've put in a number of them over the years, and they're really nice. And I'm just gonna, they work slick. In that particular instance, that video what I just recorded of that one working and testing it, we put the normal fan in on Monday to get him back to work, the original one-way fan, and it's Thursday. And technically, with the leaves falling in the fall here, this morning or this afternoon before we got there, that was like a sheet covered right up, sucking all the dry leaves to it. So you saw it, he cycled it twice and it worked out pretty good. So what I'm going to do is just you ever need something like that, look it up online. Or Stratford, Ontario. Ask for Florin. Good guy. Anyways, some more of the stuff that we got today. You know, when things go bad, they go bad all the time, and that's just the way it is. So we ordered these for this forklift seal kits. They got the right piston ones, they got the wrong gland. That was yesterday. Reordered it, got the right one, and I think Kyle put it away already in one of these bags. Yeah, here it is. I'm going to show you. I don't get this, but it was made in Taiwan. This is the wiper seal that was in there. He inserted the rod. It all broke out. The plastic that was molded in there is so hard, it just snapped right out of there. And this is the old one, and it's probably from the late 80s, and it's still intact. It just kind of pisses a guy off, you know. There's all the pieces. We got to send it back. They're going to warranty it out. Whatever, but they just don't make stuff like they used to, I guess, or, you know. Anyway, so that threw me a day behind. Because we've got, see, I was getting rambunctious, so we already got it on the trailer to go take it back. Because Mr. UPS showed up at 10 a.m. this morning. He thought, yeah, we're going to put them in there. And then he's, like I said, the parts guy only ordered one. So I thought, all right, we can put one together. And then that broke. So now I reordered two. And so hopefully tomorrow at 10 o'clock, and then tomorrow's Friday, and maybe I can drive this back over to the owner and drop it off for him. So it's just how it goes sometimes. You gotta just let it go. That's all I can do. It's all right. Thanks for watching my videos. And hey, we're up to 775 last time I looked for subscribers, and I'm always looking for more. So thanks for watching, guys, and take care.